live television interview, Mr. Ellie Buendia. Hi, Ellie.
Hi, Pia.
Thank you for accepting our invitation, Elia. I'm privileged and honored for your presence here today. At Ellie, I just wanna ask you right off kasi maraming naging emotional kahapon at brought tears to everyone's eyes yata who watched it. Yung performance ninyo ni Francis Magalona sa Eat Bulaga. How did that feel performing with Kiko since everything happened?
Well, everyone was emotional kasi alam naman natin na yung situation ni Kiko ngayon. And for me to be invited to play with his band and with him, first time niya rin to since being hospitalized, pareho kami. So, we felt parang nag-bonding talaga kami. Even before I would call him up in the hospital and he would call me up. Araw-araw tinitext ako noon. Talo niya pa nga si Dayan eh. Parang girlfriend ko siya the whole time he was in the hospital. We were texting each other and giving each other, support. And syempre, parang natural, it was a natural thing that his first appearance on TV would be also mine. So it was really, really fun. And the crowd talagang, kahit hindi kasing dami nung sa Ihes concert. I mean, the energy, almost the same. Sarap.
And you did some uncharacteristic things. Meron ka pa mga robotic dance moves na ipinakita na ikinagulat ng madla.
Nagulat pa sila doon. Palagi kong ginagawa yan actually sa concert. And I'm a big Strut fan as well as si Francis.
So, the two of you, parang support system para sa isa't isa?
Yeah. All the more so. I mean, even before we were very close friends talaga.
At kanina, Ellie, nakasama mo naman si Raymond, nung nag-SOP kayo pareho. Did you guys talk about anything to do with the comeback?
Nagtinginan lang kami na masama. Na-joke lang. Of course, we talked about, what we usually talk about, music, family. He visited me sa hospital and he went at wake. The usual stuff that, friends do.
Will you be continuing yung naumpisahan ninyo at naudlot na Eraserheads concert?
Well, yeah, that's a big question. First and foremost, syempre, there has to be the proper venue and the proper people to do it. And of course, I myself have to be parang convinced that I can handle that kind of that thing. Health-wise.
Eto, Elia, para lang maklaro na sa lahat, to clear both of us from the record, meron kasing nagsicirculate na urban legend daw, according to the research of Showbiz Central, na yung song daw na Magazine ay may usap-usapang daw, ako daw ang inspirasyon for that song.
Magazine?
I was telling everybody nga, teka muna. Kung
hindi naman
niyo
siguro, nabasa niyo ba yung lyrics noon?
Kung iintindihin niyo yung ibig sabihin.
Yeah.
Parang teka.
It's obviously not about her. And if I did write a song about her, it would not, go like that. It would be something more, suitable for her, something sweet and, diba?
With a happy ending.
With a happy ending. Medyo R-rated yung song na yun. So, definitely hindi po tungkol kay Pierre.
Ayan na. And once and for all, linawin mo na rin ito dahil birthday ko na rin to clear your record and mine. Naging mag-on nga ba tayo way back when we were both in UP? This is so awkward.
Yeah,
naging tayo ba?
Pagkakaalam ko. Hindi kasi, we were, I'm like 4 years ahead.
Yeah, my student number is 91.
Oo, ako po ay 87, so do the math. Hindi kami nagkita sa UP.
Although, it's very flattering.
Yes, indeed.
Kung sino man nag-umpisa yan. Maraming salamat, pero hindi.
It's, sabi mo nga, it's good TV.
Father.
Yeah.
Ellie, huling mensahe mo na lamang sa iyong mga libo-libong fans and supporters.
Well, it's been a rough year, pero yeah, ganyan ang buhay, may konting saya, may konting lungkot. And I will definitely cherish yung saya na dinulot nung yung pag-suporta ng lahat ng fans sa Eraserheads concert. And of course, pagsuporta rin nyo dun sa lesser known effort ko na Pupil. And we have an album out still, Wildlife. And we're promoting the third single. It's called Disconnection Notice. And yun, thank you very much po. And thank you to Showbiz Central and to you, of course, Pia. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Ellie, and we wish you all the best for your band and for your health, of course. Thank you. Magbabalik pa po ang Showbiz Central. Keep it right here.
Balot sa tiran ni Sherry.
Malala nang lumalala yung mga nangyayari. Nag-isip na akong lumipat.
Anong uri naman kaya ng nilalang binsay naturaan ni Sunshine Garcia?
Pag angat ko ng ulo ko, may nakita ko, mahaba ang buhok na itim, mismong harap ko.
Ang kwento ng mga taong nakakakita ng kaluluwa ng mga yumao.
Abangan ang pagkikipag-usap ng isang ina sa anak na misteryoso ang pagkamatay.
Sana daw mga po kayo. Ito na yung huli niyo.
Sa lagi ninyong kasama,
Ang Mel.
Joey.
Welcome back here on Showbiz Central. Tulad na nakita nyong plug, mamayang gabi na po ang Experience GMA. Talagang kakaibang mga production numbers, ginastusan, pinaghandaan, at talagang major.
Mamaya na po yan sa SNB o mga
After Full House, di ba?
Wala na kayo ng Full House. Birthday gift nyo na yan sa akin.
Yes.
Correct. O eto na. Nako, maraming salamat for your lie detector needs sa Truth Verifier 6347570 to 71. Hanapin nyo lang po ang Captain of Detectives, Captain Conrado
Ay,
Dublao.
tatawag ako dyan.
At ito na,
Yes, Bench Buddy. Pasalamatan
birthday
na
ni
natin.
Jenny Carbonell, ang asawa ni Inspector Carbonell kanina. Ako nais ko pasalamatan si Dr. Smane and Pai Kalayang. Congrats ulit mga docs.
Congrats.
Si Aiko Saavedra ng Hair Wash. Thank you very much for making me beautiful today. At syempre, Avel Bacudio and Joey Samson for my beautiful outfit every
Jerry
Sunday.
Santos,
Dito lang po
yes.
sa Showbiz
Wow.
Central. Thank you. And my stylist, John Paul
And
Dizon.
of course, Dr. Vicky Bello, Adahar Dental Services and Beds. Maraming salamat.
Yes, thank you
Dr.
so
Bello,
much.
Indigo, salamat.
Everything
Ano bang regalo ni Bossing sa'yo?
Wala
This
pa
birthday?
nga
Ha,
eh.
wala?
Ano sa tingin mo?
I think super big na hindi pa niya nabibili.
At yung dadaw ni Michika, happy birthday,
Kay
Mr.
Mr.
Nestor
Nestor.
Golfo.
birthday sa lahat na may birthday.
Joel
birthday,
Javier,
Joel
birthday
Javier.
din niya.
Pero dyan lang po kayo kasi
Happy
magbabalik pa po
Jet.
ang
Hello.
Showbiz Central.
Yes, wag kayo alis.
Thanks, Francis L.